This is a story about a guy named Biniam Girmay. He's best known on the name Bini because the whole world is talking about him right now. Do you know why it is? Because he's the champ. No one expected him to win on the Tour de France bicycle tournament, but he's been outstanding. He had a 3-win on his second time of 30 friends. He's been massive, impressive guy. The whole Eritrean are talking about him right now. They're celebrating every day and night. I've been singing for him, talking about him, and posted him and all the social media because they are so proud of him. They didn't expected him to come this far, but he did. He made them proud and the whole African nation and his family. I just want to say we're all here for you, Bini, and I am so happy you're my brother, our brother, and we are here for you wherever you go. We will support you, and God bless you, Bini.
Okay, let's go.